Okay, this is kind of a fun one. We talked in class about how we believe that, even most scientists believe that there was one giant landmass. And if we read actually in Genesis 1:9, it says, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together in one place and let the dry land appear." So there is a lot of evidence even in Scripture that at one time in the beginning that there was one giant landmass. Now scientists call this Rodinia. Now, what we believe happened is during the flood that this continent, Rodinia, was probably submerged under the water, and then the forces of water, we talked about in class how strong water is and how it can do a lot of damage, that is probably what started to break up that thing called Rodinia. And now we call it another continent called Pangaea. So you can see this little puzzle we put together of what the continents look like today. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of separate them out. Um, to see where they might be today. We know that Eurasia is going up more towards the top. Africa probably slid down a little bit further. Of course, Antarctica, we know where that is, all the way down to the bottom. But after the flood, these pieces of land, these things that we call continents now, would have slowly drifted where they are today. Now, this is the difference between what creation scientists and evolutionists believe. We all believe in the Pangaea theory. The difference is creationists believe that it happened because of the flood, and evolutionists would say that it took millions of years, of course, for these continents to drift. But we can kind of see, if we look at it, it's kind of cool that it's almost like a puzzle, that the continents today actually sort of fit into a puzzle that would have made this supercontinent that we call Pangaea. So she's trying to put them kind of where they belong. So you can see that. It's kind of fun. You can do that with just a regular world map. You can just cut out the continents and see how some of them may have fit it together.